stop. Stop tailgating. Zibadoosh. X-Dive. You're in the red. It's still open. Do you know what the stop sign's for? Exit dive. Go, you dumbasses, go! That does not mean cut somebody off. Who wants some Route 1 shenanigans, like rolling a stop sign and blowing a stop sign? It's like the good old days, huh? Hi, there's someone behind you, stupid. Hey, get off my ass, thank you. Jesus. Thank you. You would have been farther ahead if you had stayed in that lane, you asshole. Got his lane target. It's supposed to be in this lane target. Oh, you're really not supposed to be in that lane. Oh, 67005. What are you doing? Hold on. No. Don't cut him off. Jesus. The badge! Your turn! That's not a lane, you dumbass. That's not a lane, you dumbass. Don't hit me, lady, for fuck's sake. Don't hit me, lady, for fuck's sake. It's not a fucking lane. Fuck you! What? Oh, it was him. Alright, whatever. Jesus Christ. That was a cutoff. Fucking hate this ramp. Fuck you. Fuck you all. Oh. Toyota turret, fuck you too. Oh, 14 or whatever. behind me. Yep, there's camera. You know, try not to hit me, lady! Are you exit diving? You're exit dove. Cut off, left turn dive. Hey, kitty! No. Go in the house, kitty. Stop! Guess not, huh? Oh, okay. Dub, dub. And there goes the Prius! Woo! Check to the left me because the Prius. Toyota. Middle lane was wide open too. What an asshole. And now he's back in the middle lane. Still an asshole. Oh. We got cut off. What are you gonna do? You're just so important. Yep. You were in the red. Thanks, lady. Stop. Wrong lane. Left turn dive.